Just sitting here at my window, looking out, trying to find some birds. I don't see any out there though, do you? There's usually some in the tree. Maybe I should sing a song to see if I can get some birds to come to my window. But if I'm doing a song, I should probably get my singing partner, Rosie Posey, and I definitely need my guitar. Can you guys help me out with this? Let's count to 3 and we'll get the guitar and Rosie Posey to come and join us. 1, 2, 3. Awesome, I've got my Rosie Posey. I've got my guitar. We've got our window back here that we're gonna get our birds to come to. Do you know any names of birds, Rosie Posey? I think we need help with that.
Yes, I do.
Oh, that's right. George, Henrietta.
Well, I was thinking
Betty?
maybe. Well, they're all very nice birds, but
Okay.
what about types of birds?
Oh yeah, that makes more sense. I bet you guys probably know some types of birds too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well let's start singing. We'll see if we can come up with some good ones.
Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Little bird, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and buy molasses candy. Okay, what's one type of bird?
Oh, I've got a really cute one.
Which one?
A chickadee. It's a really good one to sing about too.
Chickadees.
Ready?
Chickadee, chickadee, fly through my window. Chickadee, chickadee, fly through my window. Chickadee, chickadee, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Buy molasses candy. What?
Do you have one?
We could do blue jays.
Oh, blue jays. I love those. Ready?
Blue jay, fly through my window. Blue jay, fly through my window. Blue jay, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and buy molasses candy.
Oh, I've got a good one.
What kind?
How about a robin?
Robin.
Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of robins, and we know a robin named Robin. Isn't that neat? All right, so let's sing a robin to the window.
Robin, robin, fly through my window. Robin, robin, fly through my window. Robin, robin, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Buy molasses candy.
Can you think of another one?
Cardinals?
Oh, cardinals are beautiful. They're red, right? Have you guys ever seen a cardinal? All right,
Little red birds with like a little black mohawk.
yeah, they're so cute. All right, let's fly like a cardinal.
Cardinal, cardinal, fly through my window. Cardinal, cardinal, fly through my window. Cardinal, cardinal, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and buy molasses candy.
That was a good one. I've got a really fun one.
What?
We wouldn't see it outside this window. We'd have to drive all the way down to the beach to see it.
I think I know.
Yeah, a seagull. You know what? I love seagulls because they go. So let's see if we can flap our wings and they'll go.
No, it's more of an annoying sound, like.
They are so cute though.
They are very
I really
cute.
like them. Ready?
Seagull, seagull, fly through my window. Seagull, seagull, fly through my window. Seagull, seagull, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and buy molasses candy. Ooh, I won.
You do? Okay.
Yes. What about a falcon?
Falcon. No, they're great. They're big birds, right? All right, let's spread our wings really wide and fly. Beautiful.
Falcon, falcon, fly through my window. Falcon, falcon, fly through my sugar lump, and buy molasses candy.
That was really fun. We got a lot of different birds.
Should we do one more bird?
I guess there's always room for one more, right? What do you think? Last one. Do you guys have one at home? I've got it. How about a wren? I love them. They're really little tiny birds that you might find just right outside your door right now. Ready?
Wren, wren, fly through my window. Wren, wren, fly through my window. Wren, wren, fly through my window. Buy molasses candy. Fly through my window, my sugar lump. Fly through my window, my sugar lump, and buy molasses candy.
That was fun. I think we should go outside and see some birds. Do you guys see any out there yet? I don't know. Did you see any back there when we were singing? I don't see any. But you know what? That's okay. I'm going to go get some bird food. Maybe I'll get some bread and I'll put it outside. See if we can get any birds to come and hang out with us today.
Good idea.
Good idea. All right, shall we?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Bye.